We're going to be blowing these things up with polyurethane foam today. Whoop, whoop, whoop. It's going to create a spectacular explosion and hopefully it doesn't make too much of a mess. As you can see from previous experiments, it gets really messy. Make sure you stay to the end because each item only gets bigger and better. First, we're going to do this hand soap container. We're going to pump foam in it and see what happens. At least you can see through it because of the glass. Okay, here goes. Put the lid back on for what it's worth. Here it goes. Bubble, bubble, toil and trouble. Put the lid back on for what it's worth. Here it goes. Bubble, bubble, toil and trouble. You can see what it came out like. So Spider-Man's up next. I'm gonna put some foam in his head. It is a squishy toy, so I don't know what's gonna happen. Personally, I think it's gonna ooze out of his eyes. All right, you ready, Jay? There we go. Grow, Spidey, grow. Whoop. Yeah, there's old Spidey. Now he's got brains, not just fluff in his head. Pumped foam in the back of his head, came out all over, seeped through the material, and he's pretty hard, even though it didn't build up as much pressure, but it's much harder than just the relief foam. There we go. Grow, Spidey, grow. Whoop.
Well, you're right, it oozed out of his eyes. Nice, that worked better than I thought for the starter.
Yeah, there's old Spidey. Now he's got brains, not just fluff in his head. All right, next we have a vase full of ducks. Just gonna pump foam in there, see how the ducks handle it. Maybe they swim out, maybe they drown. Here we go. Whoop, there they go. They're trying to float. Hey, one duck's out. Second duck's coming out. There we go. Third duck's on his way out as well, but didn't make it. 2 out of 3 ain't bad. Whoop, there they go. They're trying to float. Hey, one duck's out. Second duck's coming out. There we go. Third duck's on his way out as well, but didn't make it. 2 out of 3 ain't bad. If you guys are enjoying this video, hit the like button. 1,000 likes on this video and we will pump whatever the top comment says. Thank you so much for your support. Now let's get into the bigger stuff. I've removed my shoes and now we're gonna pump them full of foam. Number 1, we're pumping through the front, see what goes on. And the other one, we'll just pump from the back. There we go. And this one, we'll just pump from the back. See how they fill up differently. There it comes. Woohoo! No more wearing those shoes. Huh. Now that's a mess. Yeah, I don't think I'll fit in those anymore. Now we're getting into things that can actually burst, explode, and cause a lot of damage. So stand back. Don't know how big this gets. All right. We're ready, Jay. Here we go. All right, all right, all right. Shake it up, shake it up. There it goes. Guess I shouldn't have drilled a hole in the side after all. So now I got this container. I drilled a hole in the top. So we don't really want it to explode. We want the foam to shoot straight up. So I hope we don't hit the gutter on this one. Let's see. There we go. All right, let me get my gun. All right, this could get us into trouble. All right, here we go. I'm hoping this will give us a nice fountain coming out the top. Let's see how this goes, guys. Hold on, here we go. No turning back now anymore. All right, let's shake it up. Jake likes it when we shake it up. Here it goes, this is it. Whoop, whoop, whoop. Another mess. All right, let's shake it up. Jake likes it when we shake it up. Here it goes, this is it. Whoop, whoop, whoop. Another mess. So, no, it blew it up and it's rock solid, but as you can see, the relief foam came out of the hole that I drilled in the top. Made a bit of a mess, but it's always cleanable, so nothing popped. Just had a bunch of fun relief foam coming out. All right, here we go. Gonna be pumping some foam into this detergent bottle. We'll give it quite a bit, see what happens. All right, this is a whole lot. Let's shake it up a little bit. Here it comes. Whoop. All right. All right, this is a whole lot. Let's shake it up a little bit. Here it comes. Whoop. All right. It made a bit of a mess. It was more controlled. Whoop. It came out of the squeeze. It smells good. It smells like Tide. Yeah, we get sponsored by Tide. Not. So there you have it. So this in here is really hard because it's under pressure. This on the outside, not so much. But there was that. So this is a grand finale. I've been looking forward to this the whole day because we've had lots of success, great success with balls popping out of their own shells. Let's see what happens here. There it goes. Pop, baby. There it goes. Pop, baby. Almost gave birth to itself. Wait, let's help it. Giving birth to the ball. There it is. There's the inside of the ball. So we had to help a little bit. We had to assist with the birth of the ball. But there you have it. 1,000 likes and we'll foam whatever you guys like, including balls and becoming skull caps. Thank you guys for watching and we'll see you next time.